Hello guys, welcome back to Strands Division's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to present to you a new work light, round this back. We have square ones for a while now, but now it's time to give the round work lights a renewal part in our program. It is no edge work lights, so no dirt gets stuck. It has a super slim design, it fits everywhere. It is of course multi-volt, but best of all, it's only consume 18 watt and give you over 1800 extra lumen. That is unique. What we have done to make this product give such a high performance is we have chosen the best details. We have also optimized the different LEDs to give a good power usage on the hardest condition, and also in farming and so on. When you use the work light for a long time, you need to have a steady high performer. So this product goes on 1800 lumen all the time. The working temperature is from below 30 minus up to plus 40. The brackets and so on is also well designed to fit your needs. We have designed this one to be super easy one-hand handling mounting point. So both the bolt head is square, and we also have a square hole here on the bracket, so you don't need to use two hands when you mount it, only one hand. We know that you have tight space, limited time, so this is a time saver as you need to have. Also on the bottom part we have made the bracket smart, so the bolt gets hold by itself, so you can also mount it with one hand. We know that you guys are professionals, so you need to mount them smart. You can do it 90 degrees, you can do it straight forward, and also almost 90 degrees from the front. So you have all different opportunities for mounting on this part. For us, when we do design the Unity series, the beam pattern is one of the most important thing, because we don't need shadows. Actually, you don't need shadows in the beam. So it must be very smooth and even, and this we have accomplished very well with this Unity round. We have also eliminated all the waste light that you don't use. So we have concentrated the beam a bit, so you have wide and nice work light beam, but where we have reduced the waste light to give you the most optimized work light product. It comes with 3 years functional warranty from Strands Division, and this product is very well used by farmers, but also truckers. But I would say this is a perfect fit where the round design goes well with the application. So trucks, trailers, tractors, light commercial vehicles, whatever you need. I'm pretty sure now that you have seen the features, that you see that this is a unique product that you should have. Compared to what you have today, I know that you will be happy with the performance from the new round Unity from Strands Division. If you like what we do, subscribe our YouTube channel, share your ideas, your feelings on the comments field below, and I'll see you next time.